Today is our last day in Korea where we're able to do, I mean, essentially what we want. Because it's kind of our last day. Actually, it just worked out that way. But we're going to Everland, which is the largest theme park in all of South Korea. There's a zoo. It looks awesome. Let's just get into it. Guys, we're in Gangnam right now. You know what that means. So if you're going to Everland, you want to come to Gangnam Station, leave out of exit 5, and then cross over into the middle, and you want to take the bus 5002. We've made it to Everland. We don't see the actual park yet, but it's here somewhere. We're just following the crowd. Dude, we're here. The gate's right in front of us. Chris,
we're at Disney World.
Are you getting Disney World vibes right now? Because I am. This is so cool.
Disney World. Let me in.
So by accident, we made amazing time. They're about to open right now. They're not even open yet. This is awesome. One roller coaster down, and me and Chris both already feel really dizzy. Lots of loops and corkscrews. We're just getting old, man. We were talking about, we used to be able to do roller coasters like this and it was no problem. And now after one coaster, we're like, oh God. This place is really beautiful. One of the more beautiful theme parks I've ever seen in my life. I don't know if it's because we're in Korea and it's just a clean, beautiful country, but it's really clean, really beautiful. So they're legitimately just playing video game music here, like straight up. We were trying to figure out what it was. That's what it is. Just a second ago before this song, they were playing straight up, just exactly one of the songs from Sims 2. And I'm really okay with that. You guys like those drone shots? This is so pretty, guys, I can't express it. You have to come here and just see this for yourself. Every side, other than that side, is just gorgeous. I think I can safely say this is absolutely the most beautiful garden I've ever been to in my life. This is incredible. When you walk in there, the smell of flowers is just legitimately overwhelming. After a quick flight, we've made it to Holland. That was record time. We just went on the T Express over there and it doesn't look too intense, but it's really crazy. That first drop is legit 90 degrees and you can feel it. Oh my gosh, Chris, how was that ride?
I'm dead, bruh.
Definitely ride it. We just did that VR adventure back there and that was really legit for, it's like just a phone slipped in the headset, but they have a seat that moves around, they like blow wind and crap on you. It was really cool.
하겠습니다. 하나, 둘, 셋. 자, 조금 더 앞으로 갈게요. 국가동물입니다. 그래서 점프력이 아주 좋아요. 그래서 높은 곳을 아주 좋아합니다. 네, 새쌍둥이입니다. 어이쇼! 와. 정말 그죠? 정말 그 친구.
Alright, mate. Welcome to the Lost Valley. Where you're gonna see animals and you're gonna get lost. About to see pandas for our first time. This is really exciting. Poe! Poe, look over here. Oh. Well, the pandas were sleeping, but it's alright. We still saw them, and we got to see one move over. We could see his face a little bit, but I didn't really catch it on video. That's it, our day in Everland is over. This was an awesome experience. I would have loved to stay till the night, but that's a while away. We're tired and we gotta go home and pack to leave tomorrow. So sad. But our next destination is just as exciting as Korea, for maybe different reasons though. We'll explain when we get there. This has been an awesome day, and if you come to Seoul for any long amount of time where you can take some day trips, this is definitely one that has to be on the list. Don't skip